This is the Henry Ford Practical Elite Katana.
What are you doing in my swamp?
This is
Sparta!
the unveiling. I am opening it.
Oh my god! Are you recording? Are you recording, Christoph? What you say?
Another smaller box within the larger box.
Put it on top.
They don't want to wreck it, do you?
No, just push this box out of the way. Just press it. This katana was $209 US. It's supposed to be very sharp. Tyler. It will sound really weird on the video. Okay. Sorry
Really
for that
packed in
interruption.
there, good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you'll have to cut the plastic a little bit. Right there, see? It's got a bit of plastic. It's got it all over.
Tape.
Yeah, there's tape on it. There's a cord so you can actually tie it around your waist if you wanted to. Don't drink pop in this house. Hello, it's me again. This is me testing out the Henry Ford Practical XL, I believe it was called. Hee. As I said, I have no training with this sort of thing, and I'm mostly doing this for fun. My first katana, and my first test, which I hope will actually end up on YouTube. Of course, if this is a failure, you wouldn't be watching this now, would you? So here I go. I'm doing my best, please. Don't complain about my technique. Well, it did in fact cut. I don't even see anything on the blade at all. You don't see anything on the blade whatsoever. Nothing on the blade whatsoever.